Cockatoos, or Cacatuidae, are a family of intelligent and vibrant birds, known for their distinctive crests and curved beaks. They are native to Australia, Indonesia, and the Pacific Islands. Cockatoos captivate us with their striking appearance, but their true charm lies in their intelligence and social behavior. They are one of the most intelligent bird species, known for their problem-solving skills and ability to mimic human speech. Their intelligence is rooted in a large brain-to-body size ratio. This large brain helps them remember complex sequences and solve problems. They can even learn to use tools, a behavior typically associated with primates. Cockatoos have an innate social nature, often living in flocks. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations and body movements. Some species, like the sulphur-crested cockatoo, can even learn to mimic the sounds of other animals and humans. These birds have a unique feather structure. Their feathers are flat and stiff, which helps them produce a wide range of sounds. Their crest feathers can be raised or lowered to show different emotions, such as fear, excitement, or aggression. Cockatoos are also known for their long lifespan. Some can live up to 80 years, making them one of the longest living birds in the world. This longevity is due to their diet, which primarily consists of nuts, seeds, fruits, and grains. Cockatoos are popular pets due to their intelligence, social nature, and ability to mimic human speech. However, they require a lot of attention and care. They need a large cage, plenty of toys, and social interaction to stay happy and healthy. Cockatoos have a rich cultural significance in many societies. In Australia, they are considered a sacred symbol of fertility and are often depicted in Aboriginal art. In Indonesia, they are used in traditional dances and ceremonies. In conclusion, the cockatoo is a fascinating creature, not just for its striking appearance, but for its intelligence, social behavior, and unique characteristics. Whether in the wild or as a beloved pet, these birds continue to captivate and inspire us.